Hi, my name is Lori and today I'm going to be reviewing this wig for you today. It's from Outre and her name is Stevie. I have worn it a few times already and I just actually washed it yesterday, so it does last really good, really long if you take good care of it. I washed it and I used just a regular drugstore shampoo, I think Garnier, as you can see from this clip, and I want to make sure that it's clean and it smells good, so I do wash it regularly, and I brush from the bottom up whenever I am detangling it or finger detangling it, and I either lay it flat to dry or I put it on the wig head. So I'll come in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm talking about. This is the center, this is the back. So it does really look bouncy, and as you can see, the ends are still looking good. It's not tangling up and it's not looking dry or brittle or anything like that. It does really look really good, especially if you have a special occasion and you don't really want to go to the hairdresser to do your hair and potentially heat damaging it. You can definitely opt to get a wig like this and you'll have a really great hairstyle. So I do think that it can be curled as well, up to maybe 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I never usually curl them, but if you feel like it's losing its curl and you want it to last even longer, that's another thing that you can do. I also sometimes put a concealer or foundation or powder foundation underneath the cap so that it will match my scalp color. That's something that you can opt to do if you feel like it's something that you need to do. If you mess up, you can always take dish soap and wash it off with that. So this is definitely a really great protective hairstyle if you're growing out your hair underneath. I always recommend that you take care of your hair underneath by moisturizing it, oiling it, maybe spraying a leave-in conditioner, shampooing it like you normally would. That way you know that you're keeping your health up. Also, I have really small corn rolls underneath. I have about 14 or 15 corn rolls underneath. So if you're able to corn roll your hair or get someone to do it for you when you're rocking the wig, that would be really great. That way it will look more natural and there won't be any weird bumps, and to make it look sort of deformed. So, and that way when you put it on, it will lay really flat and look really nice. So that's something that you should do, or maybe like a ponytail. I wouldn't really say a ponytail because there might be like a bit of a bump here. So if you have a date or you're just going out for a special occasion or just a get together or something like that, and you don't really have the time, or you don't want to go to the hairdresser to get your hair done and wait so long just to get it done, and you just want something that you could just put on already styled and you could just walk out the door, this is a great option. And like I said before, it's really great because you're not going to be damaging your hair with heat, but you'll have a really great hairstyle in minutes that will be really trendy and on point. And it's not too tight at all. It's big head friendly, so you don't have to worry about it being too tight along your hairline, which is potentially damaging as well. So this is a great option if you want to make sure that your edges stay on point. Also, if you're a model and you have a photo shoot to go to and you don't really have time to spend on your hair, you can just put this on. It is glueless and you don't have to put any glue or gel or anything. You could just put it on and you're good to go. So if you're interested in this look and you want to buy this wig, I will put a link in my description box down below. Just click on the blue link and it will take you to Amazon where you can purchase it there. Obviously, it will be an online purchase, so it'll be really practical for you if you're a busy mom or if you just have a really busy schedule and you're not sure where to buy the wig. You could just buy it at Amazon, and then it'll just be right at your door. I also want to remind you to click the subscribe button down below and the notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Yeah, and I'd be interested to know if you've purchased this wig and what color did you get, if you liked it, so on and so forth. But I think I've given you a lot of information for you to decide if you want to get this wig or not. I'm going to leave it at this, and I really hope that you enjoy the rest of your day or night, and I will see you in the next one.